on Meangadh TV.
You see, he likes a drink or two because he says it helps him to get through one more difficult day. He thinks that it's the only way he knows how to survive. But is he living? No, is he alive? Oh no, no, no. You see, he likes a line or two because he thinks it brings him closer to you. But no, no, it push him away. You can't play music if you're dead, by the way. Oh no, oh no. So if he gets it wrong, just let him, so we can laugh at his expense. If he wants to drink, just let him. We'll watch the rivers flow. Somebody's got to tell him. Somebody's got to tell him no. You see, 9 lives isn't enough for this boy who treats his life rough. I don't expect you to understand what playing music can do to a man. Oh no, oh no. So if he gets it wrong, just let him, so we can laugh at his expense. If he wants to drink, just let him. We'll watch the rivers flow. But somebody's got to tell him. Somebody's got to tell him. Somebody's got to tell him no more for you.
Anoa, inte går fort. Går min mahako